grab some water and get ready to skedaddle out of here because it's time to go to Nantong. Yo, ready to travel. Alright, so let me go grab some water and then I can move.
Was a soldier in the legions, fought against the demons, fought against the monsters made of gold. But they stormed across Arcadia, following their nature, washed away the place I once called home. I'm hiding in the blue, safe between the clouds, in the blue, where I can't be found. I'm hiding in the blue.
Is it raining? No, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna take it DD and be out of here.
I'm hiding in the blue. As time goes racing by, I'm wishing I could be fine, but I'm still so stuck on what used to be. Made a prison out of my mind, watch life as it goes by. Battle scarred my own worst enemy. I'm hiding in the blue, safe between the clouds, in the blue, where I can't be found. I'm hiding in the blue.
Train station. My train will leave in like, let me see, it leaves in like 26 minutes, so I'm just now chilling over here. And this is the train station. Yeah, basically that's it. So I'm just gonna chill and then right, so I'm now at the train station and I'm currently in the queue. So over here, if you wanna like use the train station, you need to go to at your gate. If you're a foreigner, you need to use the you need to go to where there's an assistant, because you need to get assisted through, because you can't do it by yourself because you don't have like the Chinese item. You come to like this gate where there's a there'll be an assistant who will help you out, and then you can just get in there and after that. So yeah, right, just got through the gate, so now I can go to the back and see my train. Oh Lord. Right, there's my platform, which is over here. It's down there, that's where I need to go. So, see you guys. Currently using this gate because behind me says gate 4, which is this side. So I'm just gonna chill here until the train comes. Hopefully. I hope I did not mess up, but I don't think I messed up. It says gate 4. So Yeah, I did not mess up because the other platform number changed in my mind, because I'm at the side of the sign, which is side 4, and the other side 5. It changed to a different train number, so I was correct. So I'm just gonna wait here for my train to come, then go to carriage number 10, and then I'll be out. I think that's my train that's coming now. Let me show bang. Yeah, I think that's the one that's currently approaching. I mean, if it's not the one, I'm screwed. But I know I'm not screwed. But yeah. Anyway, this is my carriage number. As you can see, the number is 10 over there, which means this one is mine. So I'm just gonna join the line and then I'll go in there. Basically, all you need to do is check the billboard and check your train number. Mine said 4, and 4 is this side. As you can see, the 4 is the same number as the same side as the train is. So you just need to come right side and then just go. I can see my train number there, and carriage number is 10, which means this is the correct train. So yeah. Right now in the train, so see guys in Nantong.
To come over, I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you.
Finally out of it. This train thing is so accurate. They got us here exactly as it is written on the ticket, the time. So if you're worried about not knowing your destination, you can just check like the time you arrive, and then you will know when that time is the one, then that's your train station. Anyway, this walk is so long.
I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating.
Follow the crowd.
I hate
That's what I'm doing.
I probably shouldn't say this.
I got no idea where I'm going, so follow the crowd.
I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do.
This looks just like the metro underground things, but I'm just gonna follow the people. And I think, yeah, you also need to find the manual place. I'd almost forgotten that. Then I saw people using their passport, so you need to go to a manual, check out.
No, this is Nantong, right? We were supposed to go to Nantong. It's another one.
Oh,
Yeah. So if you wanna take the subway, just go down.
okay. Hi guys, I'm here with my dad.
Yeah, we're gonna take the subway because it's cheaper.
Yeah, let's take the subway and be out of here.
Subway, line 1, line 2.
Oh yeah,
Some line 6, when I went to 5 subway lines, 5.
apa kominnya?
Phone and keys.
Train station. It's more busy. But Google Maps works way better in China than in Zimbabwe. Actually. No, like. Lots of anagrams. Really? Is this why they call it library? Because they've got these pictures.
There's a library.
It's a library.
Yeah. Actually, what I was thinking tonight is when you go to the restaurant that is near the library.
Oh.
That's why, but I think I'm just gonna.
It's okay.
When you see the library, it's massive.
But these paintings are nice. I thought you were straightforward. Complex, even before we've been there for many years. So how you used to see black people and people in Nantong? In Wenzhou, if they see you, they probably see thousands. If they didn't cross the university, they'll not this is what negative temperature looks like. Yeah, I think people bought them.
On your own, in your mind, it's so
Yeah.
sometimes
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm
I don't know
gone,
what's wrong with these ladies.
I'll be right
They'll be
there,
wearing their short
close
skirts
to
or
the
shorts in this
sun.
weather.
Keep
It's not the first
holding
time I've seen this.
on, keep holding on,
At this point,
and I'll be right there,
at this point, it's
close
just
to
normal,
the
but then when you
sun,
remember your own body,
close to the sun.
you can see this laser light. Laser.
Close to the sun.
Like, when I was seeing it from back then, I thought it was a normal light because it's putting on something else. I thought it was just a normal light, but it's actually a laser light. The yellow one.
Here's to the ones who let shine
This is so funny.
through the rain.
I think it'll take a
The
while.
ones who
but-
stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye. We're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Because boys are-
Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to
These
the
guys,
sun.
they don't like following the sun. That's the thing that
close
I
to
got
the
another one,
sun.
but with the China move.
Keep holding on, keep
That one
holding
you pay like
on,
32.
and I'll be right
32
there, close
And
to
that's
the
just-
sun, close to the sun.
But I have the other line, but I'm just using a different one.